So for this first equation, I'm going to be expanding a logarithm. So our equation starts with log 6y cubed over x squared, which you would then put the squared in front. And then, to expand it, you would put the 2 in front of both of the logs, first of all, and then put what was in the denominator. That didn't sound right. Anyways, first, because it's positive, and since this is in the denominator, it's negative. So then you would expand it even more and put the y cubed by another log, but it was still in the denominator, so it's still positive. And then you want to get the same thing up here. You want to put that in front, and then none of the rest have exponents. So then you're all good. So it's the answer is 2 log 6 to 6. I don't know how to say it. Plus 5 log 6y minus 2 log 6x. And then for number 2, we are going to be solving a logarithmic equation. So first thing you do, since it is subtraction, you're going to use division just like up here. It's basically switched. So since that is first, it'll be in the denominator, and that's second, it'll be in the denominator, and that stays the same. And we can do this because they both have the same base. And then you want to get rid of that, so you multiply by itself. And we can do this because they all of them have the same base. So anyway, so you get that. So that is canceled. And then you have to do each side. So it will be 10x plus 40 is what you get. And this will be 6 because you multiplied out that. And then we want to solve for x, so we just subtract 40 from each side. And then we go up here, and then that gets negative 34, and we divide by 10 to get the x by itself. So x equals negative 3.4. Number 3, we're going to solve an exponential equation. So the equation is 10 times 16 minus, to the negative 5k plus 5 equals 19. So first thing we do is we want only this over here by itself. So we subtract 5 from each side and subtract 10 from each side, which leaves us with 16 to the negative 5k equals 4. So then we make it into a logarithm, and so you have a log, and then the first number is the base, and then what it equals is that, and the exponent is what it equals in this one. So then you are going to want to divide it. So then you put the top, the bigger, whatever it's called, I don't remember what it's called, right at the top, and the base will be at the base. Just kidding, it'll be in the denominator, and still equal to negative 5k. So then you divide it, and when you divide it, I got 0.5, and then you just solve for k, so then you just divide by negative 5, which k equals negative 0.1. And then last lastly, we are going to solve an exponential equation without using any logarithms. Also, that is a 9, not an A. Anyways, so we figured out all of these, 3 goes into them. So then we put the, what's it called? Anyways, so 3 to the second equals 9, 3 to the ninth equals, okay, that's incorrect.